higher, like it was an airplane. What the hell is it? It was much closer when I was across the street. Now it's going into the clouds.
Or it disappears.
Or it disappears. Did you get video?
Yeah.
What the heck is that? That was like, it looked much lower to the ground and then it got much higher.
Okay, so let's just
That's
watch.
That's definitely an unidentified flying object. What the hell?
Okay, so let's go back over there to see if it appears.
I mean, it was much lower when I was across the street and then it got much higher, but it seemed to just vanish. How did it vanish? Oh my God. I am so freaked out.
What? It's so exciting.
It's very exciting, but I'm so glad you saw it because I would be trying to explain it to you and you'd be like, where is it?
Yeah, because I'm looking this way. I was looking that way.
My gosh.
But see, you know,
it's not a drone, because if it was a drone, it wouldn't disappear like that. What? Wow.
okay, so I'm going to turn the camera off, and if it appears
Sorry, I'm going on
again.
and on.